Hi guys, so today I'll show you how to make Singapore noodles, and this is gonna be vegetarian noodles with no other meat, but you can always add shrimp or tofu or chicken or something else to that, but I'm just making it plain. So what we're gonna need is the vermicelli rice noodles. They look like this, and they're a pack of 250 grams. So we're going to use the whole pack. Then we're going to need a half an onion, and this is just a yellow onion. 3 cloves of garlic, little piece of ginger, and curry sauce. So this is a pack of 210 grams, and we're going to use the whole pack. 4 raw eggs, vegetable broth, and we'll need 1 cup soy sauce, and cane sugar, a little bit of salt, crushed pepper, and the green onions is optional, but we're gonna use them at the end to top everything. So let's get started. Another thing that we will need is olive oil for cooking. So the first thing I did is mince the garlic and mince the ginger and put it all together, and then mix it up in a bowl because they're gonna go together when you're cooking them. We put 8 cups of water to boil. Once the water is boiled, we're gonna put in our noodles and let them boil for about 4 or 5 minutes. While your noodles are boiling, we're gonna start cooking our sauce for the noodles. So we're gonna put in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Put the heat on about medium, a little bit more. And then now that our pan is heated, we're gonna dump out our curry sauce. So I've added the red pepper flakes to that. It's about 1 tablespoon. And now we're gonna cook this for about 4 minutes along with the curry sauce. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce once it's been 4 minutes. And about a tablespoon of sugar. And then mix it all up. And our noodles have actually been done now, and I've drained them, so we can add the sauce to the noodles and mix it all up in a separate bowl. So we're gonna take this off the heat and pour this in the noodles. Okay, so now that we've mixed our noodles, we're gonna go ahead and start cutting the onion. Alright, so put our onion on the side, and then get the eggs. Alright, we're gonna put the eggs inside a cup. And then we're gonna whisk the eggs with a fork. Alright, so gonna mix them up to a nice consistency. So we're gonna reuse our pan that we used previously. I've cleaned it off already, and I'm ready to use it again. So we're gonna add 2 more tablespoons of olive oil, maybe around that much, and then it looks like it's ready. So we're gonna add our garlic with ginger mixed together to that, and then cook it for about a minute. So now we're gonna add our onions, and then cook that for about 2 minutes more. Now that it's been about 2 minutes, we're gonna move our mixture to the side so we can put eggs in on the other side. So we're gonna move this like that, and then put our eggs on the other side, and then mix them up so they don't become like a scrambled. I've also added a little bit of salt to the eggs. Once it's a little bit hard, we can start mixing all the other stuff into it as well, so it's all mixed up with the egg. Okay, now we remove the mixture from heat and then put it in a separate bowl. And then set it aside, and then wash our pan for another use, because we're going to put something else in there. Alright, so now we put the pan back on and put it on medium heat, and then put our broth in there. So there we are. And then we also put back our noodles mixed with the sauce. Ooh. We bring that to the boil. And you can also use bouillon cubes instead of vegetable broth to give it a little bit more flavor, which is what I use. And so that way you don't have to add much salt to that. It's already pretty much perfect. So these sides, they're not mixed all the way, but it's okay, because once it's heating up and then we're gonna mix it more with the broth, it's gonna be perfect. If you want to, you can always add more water to that, or more broth. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna add a little bit more water, like a half a cup of water, since I have so much noodles. And then that way it doesn't get stuck to the pan. At this point you can also add salt, and it's according to taste, so whatever you like. Alright, so now we turn off the heat and add our egg mixture with the onions and ginger and garlic. So when you're cooking the eggs, you can at the same time add on the side with the onions another meat. That's when you would add the meat. So it would be either tofu, chicken, like I said, or shrimp, or whatever meat you would like. And that's when you would make that and then add it to the noodles. Right, so I've divided this into plates, and I'm gonna just add green onions on top. And that's it. You can also eat this with sriracha sauce and just any hot sauce you would like. I think it would go great with this dish.
Thanks for watching.